guys.
You watched the game.
Welcome to our life in the Philippines. We're just having a walk and buy some iced tea.
Honey.
Iced tea.
Picture yata.
Do you have some iced tea?
Ano daw?
Iced tea.
Iced tea.
Or Nestea. Apple. Meron kayo? That one is okay?
Yeah, that's okay.
Ano siya? Lemon
But
lang.
when you lemon blend, yeah, that's fine. How much are they?
18.
18
Yeah.
for one?
One.
Okay.
Gusto mo yan?
Buy two or three?
No, give me two.
Wala, isa lang yun eh.
Two.
Isa lang? There's only one.
Oh, okay.
Meron ano dito, tang-orange, saka ano.
Okay.
Isa lang. Ito na lang daw.
Yan na lang.
Oh.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Video.
That's sorry store visit. There are plenty. There's a lot of competition on them around here. So that's one of the things that are very common here in Filipinos. They have their little small starter stores, and I think there's about 10 of them around the block here.
Hey. What's up, yo?
Are you filming?
Yes.
What's good about it?
Nothing. Just wanna film you.
Okay. All right. That's good.
That's the guava tree that I always.
Yeah.
I don't know if they still have guava over there.
Oh yeah. No, I think there is some more. I think there is some. You see some up there.
I think the one, that's the guava over there.
Guava
Oh,
fruits. Yeah.
That's the one. And there also the one, that's a guava. Still have. And the other one is over there. Deciding that one.
Here is one.
Yep, that one. Can you get it for me?
You want it?
Yes,
Okay.
that one is right.
Huh?
Hinog. Oh, that one, there's a lot over there.
Yeah, there's plenty of.
Oh, there's plenty of guava.
You can.
That one also. And those one also over
There's
there.
plenty in there.
I feel guava, guys.
Don't they get color when they are fully?
Yeah. There's a lot of different colors of guava. There's a pink, yellow, white.
Yeah. All right, we gotta show you something here that is kind of pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but if you hold on, that is actually the moon in daylight. It is going towards the evening. It's about 5:30, 6 o'clock, but it's okay. And here we go. And what you hear in the background can be quite annoying sometimes with the dogs here. They don't have the same rules and regulations that we do in the state of Florida. But now my wife is trying to get up here again to get some of those fruits.
There.
Yeah.
Fresh guava.
but it's pretty good. And the neighborhood is preparing for the evening. Barbecue stands are coming up, and one of these days we'll take you a walk around at night, show you around a little bit how it looks like at that point. All right.
Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye, guys.
Hey, this is our life in the Philippines. Hey, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Hurry up. Hit it right now. Oh, or is it over on this side? No, it's here, I think. Go ahead, hit it. Thank you for watching.